welcome back to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today I am filming a Thanksgiving tutorial. And speaking of Thanksgiving, today is that day, and I thought, heck, why not film on Thanksgiving of something I'm actually going to wear. So let's get right into this video. First thing I'm going to use, like always, is my Flower Beauty eyeshadow primer. This stuff works really good. I've been using this stuff for quite some time now, and as you can see, it got a bit of a dent in it. I think I'm going to be really sad when this stuff is done. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today is by Ace Beauty, and I'm going to be taking the shade Patchouli or Patchouli. I think it's Patchouli. And I'm going to be taking this shade, and I'm going to be taking this brush. This is the Luxie mini tapered brush. This is a 121 brush. The next thing I'm going to use is my best friend. This is the eyeshadow duo. I have the Pink Pow, and I'm just going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to take this is the Alimad brush. This is like a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to take some of this, and I'm going to put this into my crease. And I'm just doing this as a transition shade. So now I'm going back in with my Ace Beauty palette, and I'm going to take this. This is a Sonia Kashuk brush. This is a blending brush, but it's actually a little bit smaller and a little more thicker than the Alimad brush. And I'm just going to take this brush, and I'm going to take the shade Cinnamon, and I'm going to put this in my outer corner. So I brought it out just a little bit, and now I'm just going to take this angled brush. This is the Luxie 131 brush, and I'm just going to take the shade Primrose, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. Okay, so this is what I've got so far, but I decided that I wanted to add some glitter, so I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild. This is it's called Brass C35 4C. It's a goldeny type of glitter, and I am going to be using my NYX glitter primer. So I'm just going to put a little bit in the back of my hand. Oh, what's this? Oh, oops, I said a little bit, but it just came out a lot. And I'm going to be using this tiny little brush, and I'm going to place this all over the eyelid. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking my Alimad. This is the flat brush, and I'm just going to dip into this glitter. Trying to get it on my brush. There we go. And I'm just going to press this all over. And that's what it looks like. So now I'm going to do the other eye, and then I will be right back. Leave the eyes alone for a little bit, and now I'm going to move on to my Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade Medium Tan Honey, and I just take a little bit of this stuff on my face. I don't use a whole lot, because I notice with this stuff, if you use a lot, you will look cakey, or it just doesn't look very cute. So I like to use just a little bit, and I like to make myself a mustache. And if I need more, then I just go back with more. Now that I have my face done, well, partial face, I'm just going to use my peach powder. This is my Peach Perfect by Too Faced. This is their translucent powder, and I'm just going to take this brush. I got these brushes. I got these brushes right here. I believe I have one more here, and I got these, believe it or not, at Bath and Body Works. So who would have thought Bath and Body Works makes makeup brushes? I never did. Taking this angled brush here, and I'm going in with my CoverGirl. This is the Peach Punch palette, and I'm going in with the bronzing shade, and I'm taking this, and I'm going to put this in the hollows of my cheeks. I'm going to be using my Pretty Vulgar, and again, I don't know the name of this. I'm assuming this is Hush Blush 18. going back in with that same CoverGirl palette, and I'm going to be taking this highlighting shade with this brush. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera. I'm just using my Revlon Color Stay. I have the shade Dark Brown 220. And the next thing I'm going to do now is my eyeliner. I have two options here that I couldn't decide on, so I thought I'd just show you these two options and then you can choose for yourself. First option I have is a dark brown lip, and I have the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in Spice, and I have the L'Oreal Color Riche lip liner in More Chocolate. So I'm just going to line my lips with this and then fill in my lips with the lipstick. Of my tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed my Thanksgiving makeup look I created for you today. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below what are your favorite things about Thanksgiving. Is it turkey? Is it pie? Is it coffee? Mine is all the above. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.